So this is actually going to be not that hard. So instead of returning this, we have to return our first pagination package. Okay, first, because we also want to paginate this. Okay, so let's bring this down, and then because we've already also created the comments repository, so we're going to read data from comments repository. We need to get comments repository dot get comments. Did I call it that? Let me see. Dot get comments query, and then we need to pass the wallpaper ID. So this one we need to, it comes from widget dot wallpaper ID. That's going to be our query. And then else, let's add the limit. So maybe let's get the first 20 comments to show. Then right after that, we want to make it live. So we have to score is live to true. And then after that, let's say the view type. This is going to be the list view. So view type dot list. Then after that, we're going to say on empty, the widget that is going to show up the comments are empty. Let's click tab. Our assistant is already thinking for us here, as you can see, but we want to wrap this inside a center widget. Okay, so that it's like that. And then also let's give this maybe some style. So style, which comes from text style. Here we just want to put the color, so it's going to be theme dot where is it? Let's remove this constant keyword. Theme dot color scheme dot on surface. Yeah, like that. Then the next thing that we are going to have is, let's also have the bottom loader. Okay, the bottom loader. So all of this is coming from the package, guys. So this also, let's have a center widget with a child circular progress indicator, and then we're going to give it a primary color. Okay, then after that, maybe we are ready to create the item builder. Okay, so in the item builder here, let's have a context, and then this is going to be document snapshot. Document snapshot, it has to be lowercase here. Document snapshot, and then we're going to have index. Okay, then we have to return a widget. So basically here we have to return this widget, okay, which shows our item. So let's cut this, then we can just delete this default, the dummy data. Then here we have to return that widget, but before we return it, let's first I'm gonna say return, then I'm gonna paste that widget there. Okay, now before we return, first let's get the comment data. Okay, so I'm gonna say final comment. This is going to come from that. So now let's get this corrected. It's going to be comment, is not from document snapshot. So first let's import the comment class, and then here we named it as from map. Okay, now from map here, it's going to get the document snapshot, and then here we need to say document snapshot at that index dot data, and then as, because it's a map, and as we need to say as map, and then yeah, like that, string dynamic, like that, and then we are going to get that comment. Okay, now this comment, now we can add the items here. So here, instead of using this, now we can simply just use our image user image avatar. So the radius here, we can get what, maybe 20, and then the image URL, we know it's going to come from comment dot is what, profile image, profile pic. Okay, and then the name here, we know is going to come from comment dot name, and then this text is going to come from comment. Okay, this text is going to come from comment. Okay, yeah. Now we can also just remove the threading, and then here we can handle the comment tab. If you want to visit this person's profile or something else, we can do whatever you want here. Okay, now let's close this and hold reload, and then have a look of how to look. So let's click here. All right, we have an error, but I think I know what the error is because we did not create any index for this comment. Okay, let's come here and then come here. You can see that there's a link for the index. So let's copy that. This is the process that we have done before. I'm going to minimize, then come here and then just open maybe something else here. Let's paste that URL. We're going to need to log in again. Okay. Yeah, I'm going to log in with this one. All right, now let's just save this. So it's building. Once it's done, we are going to see the comments here. Okay, so let's bring this up and then close that. Now we just need to wait and then try it once it's done. All right, now let's check again. Okay, this is enabled. We can go ahead and hold reload. Let's just wait for that. Then we can click any of that and then come here. Now you can see that no comments are available. Now once we write a comment, it's going to display here. So yeah, that's it guys. I think this video has been too long. In the next video, let's create this method to handle, actually not this method. We want to go into the comments input field here and then create this method to handle submit comment so that we can be seeing the submitted comments here. All right, thank you guys and see you in the next video.